Looking for single-level living that checks every box and then some? This custom-built home sits on a spacious, fully fenced corner lot in a sought-after pocket of Northwest Redmond, surrounded by mature trees and just minutes from the Dry Canyon Trail System, Quince Park, and downtown Redmond, offering the best of both privacy and convenience. Updated landscaping and new exterior paint showcases standout curb appeal and really sets the stage. And yes, that is your own private putting green in the backyard. Enjoy RV parking and your own dedicated storage shed. Low maintenance landscaping and mature trees for shade and privacy invite multiple outdoor spaces for year-round entertainment and enjoyment. Step inside to an open, light-filled layout designed with comfort and flexibility in mind. You'll love the brand new flooring and paint throughout the home and the high vaulted ceilings. A refreshed kitchen features sleek quartz countertops, modern finishes, a walk-in pantry, new lighting, and a sleek coffee bar. The thoughtful bedroom separation offers privacy and flexibility, with 2 spacious primary suites perfect for multi-generational living, guests, or simply creating the retreat you deserve. Both primary suites feature spacious walk-in closets and your own direct access to the backyard. A 4th flex room is ready to adapt to your needs, whether as a home office, a guest room, or a 4th bedroom. The oversized garage features new epoxy flooring, fresh paint, a workstation, and ample room for all of your gear. The home's central location provides quick access to Bend, the Redmond Airport, and all of Central Oregon's recreation and amenities. Custom built, upgraded throughout, and move-in ready, this home offers the perfect combination of comfort and lifestyle. If you'd like more information about this property, feel free to reach out. We would love to schedule a private tour today.